The biggest snowstorm ever. Bro, it's so cold. At least I gave everybody like Sandemus. That thing. Whew, so cold. Ooh. I'm just gonna like stretch up now. It's not working. It's still so hot. I'm cold. Presidents, I may warn you that a huge snowstorm is coming. Please stay indoors, close curtains, and be prepared for the snowstorm coming in about an hour at night. Goodbye. This is Justice. Bye-bye. What? I was also wondering why it was so cold. Well, I mean, it's already nighttime. Just keep going on these. Ooh. Why did the lights turn off? Oh my gosh, no. Why did the lights turn off? It's freezing cold. I know. There's going to be a snowstorm. The biggest yet ever. What? I hear that all the way from here. What? Okay, everybody just stay calm, stay in your beds. I'll hear you in your bathroom. Okay. Stay there in your bathroom. Don't get out. I'm coming, Mark. It's freezing. I know. Take the thermostat. Take the thermostat with you in the bathroom. Get out. Okay. It's like a freezing cold. Mia. It's freezing in here. Okay. Oh no, my poor baby. Why did I press that button? Ha? Makapagdada sa kapatuan?
Oo.
Sa bus?
Kaya ano na yung sanda sa katas-lapit ko na lang.
For baby. I'm gonna go see if she's here. Hello? I'm going to access my nose. It's 100 degrees in here. Alert, alert. There's a serious snowstorm coming. Be ready. It's gonna happen. 1, 2, 3. Ning. Oh look, it started snowing.